The average person spends their paycheck on things that lose value the moment they buy them. The wealthy do something different. They spend their money on things that pay them back again and again and again. Same income, same 24 hours in a day, completely different results. Today, we're breaking down 25 assets the wealthy quietly accumulate while everyone else is busy buying liabilities and calling them investments. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what separates a rich person's shopping list from everyone else's, and which of these 25 assets you could realistically start acquiring this month, even on an ordinary income. Number 17 is one almost nobody talks about, and it might be the most powerful one on this entire list. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, if you're serious about building real wealth, not just talking about it, hit subscribe. Wealth Forge breaks down exactly how money actually works. No fluff, no hype, just what the wealthy already know. Now, let's build your list. Let's group these into 5 categories so your brain can actually hold on to them. Category 1. Income-producing real estate. 1. Rental properties that generate monthly cash flow. 2. REITs, real estate investment trusts for people who want property exposure without becoming a landlord. 3. Commercial real estate like small retail units or warehouses. 4. Land in the path of growth, bought years before development arrives. 5. Short-term rental properties built for the Airbnb economy. Notice the pattern already? Every single one produces income. That's the first rule of wealthy asset buying. Does this pay me, or does this just sit there? Category 2. Ownership in businesses. 6. Dividend-paying stocks, which is literally owning a slice of a company's profits. 7. Index funds, the quiet, unglamorous engine behind most real millionaires. 8. Private equity in small businesses. 9. Franchises, buying a proven business system instead of reinventing one. 10. Their own business, the single highest leverage asset most wealthy people ever acquire. Here's the mindset shift. A job trades your hours for money. A business, or a share of one, can make money while you sleep, travel, or do absolutely nothing. Category 3. High-income skills and intellectual property. 11. Specialized skills like sales, copywriting, or negotiation, which compound in earning power for decades. 12. Patents and trademarks. 13. Royalties from books, music, or licensing deals. 14. Online courses and digital products built once, sold infinitely. 15. A personal brand, which sounds intangible until you realize it's what lets someone charge 10 times more than a stranger offering the same service. Category 4. Alternative and hard assets. 16. Gold and precious metals, the oldest store of value in human history. And here's number 17. Art, collectibles, and rare items bought not for decoration, but as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Most people think this is just for show. The wealthy treat it as portfolio insurance. 18. Cryptocurrency, held as a small, calculated allocation, not a gamble. 19. Farmland, one of the most under-discussed, historically stable assets on Earth. 20. A diversified stock portfolio across industries and countries, so no single crash can wipe them out.
Category 5. The assets that protect everything else.
21. Cash reserves, sitting in high-yield accounts, ready to seize opportunity when others are panicking. 22. Life insurance and estate planning structures, which protect wealth across generations. 23. Their own health, because no amount of money outperforms a body and mind that can actually enjoy it. 24. A powerful, high-trust network, often called the most valuable asset nobody puts on a balance sheet. And 25. Financial education itself, the knowledge to actually understand and manage all of this list. That's the full 25. Real estate, business ownership, skills and IP, hard assets, and the protective layer around it all. Here's how to actually use this list starting today. First, pick one category, not 25 assets. Trying to buy real estate, stocks, a business, and gold all in the same month is how people burn out and quit. Choose the category that fits your current income and timeline. Second, start absurdly small. You don't need $100,000 to buy your first index fund or your first share of a dividend stock. Many platforms let you start with the price of a dinner out. Third, build the skill before you build the portfolio. Asset number 11, high-income skills, is the one that funds every other asset on this list. The wealthy didn't start with capital. Most started with a skill that generated capital. Fourth, automated. Set up a recurring automatic purchase into whatever asset you choose. Consistency beats timing every single time. And fifth, protect what you build. Cash reserves and insurance aren't exciting, but they're the reason wealthy families stay wealthy across generations, while lottery winners often end up broke within years. Let's bring it together. Rich people don't buy things that only make them feel good for a weekend. They buy things that quietly pay them, protect them, or multiply them. Real estate, business ownership, skills, hard assets, and the safeguards around it all. None of it requires luck. It requires direction. And now you have the map. Quick question. Out of these 25, which asset are you going to focus on first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one, and honestly, seeing what people choose helps shape exactly what we cover next on this channel. If this gave you even one new way of thinking about your money, subscribe to Wealth Forge. New videos drop regularly, breaking down exactly how wealth is really built, piece by piece, asset by asset. The wealthy aren't smarter than you. They just buy differently. Now you know their list. The only question left is what you do with it.